Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 22nd of October 2020 and currently time is 9:10 am. So traders, we are waiting for the opening of market. Now let me show you our watch list. So traders, you can see that we are having Hindelco, Kotak Mahindra Bank and TCS in a watch list. Okay trader, so I will be watching chart of each of these stocks. Today we are having only 3 stocks in our watch list, so when I will get any opportunity to trade, I will update you. So I am pausing the video. So traders, we have not get any opportunity in equity to trade, but also today is Thursday, so what we will do that we will sell option today. Okay traders, so as you can see here, I have drawn this resistance and this support. So according to me, bank nifty cannot cross both of these support and resistance. So what here we will do is that we will short the call of 25,200 and sell put of 23,900. Okay traders, so let me come here. So this is my account of Semco. Here we will see the options. Okay trader, so I have added both of these options in my watch list, but what here we will do is that we will do paper trading. So we will add our positions in Excel. So first we will sell 25,200 call. So 25,200 call we will sell with 25 quantities, and it is currently trading with 13 rupees near. So we will place our limit order with 13 rupees with target of 1, and our stop loss will be, what you say traders, a stop loss will be 25, or what we can do 13, 25, no, we will place a stop loss of 30. Okay trader, so we are now entering the trade at 9:43 am. Let me show you that time is currently 9:43 am. Okay, so we have placed limit order with selling price of 13. So here you can see it is currently trading with 12.5, 25. We want to execute our order at 13. What can be, but it is now trading with 11.75 or 65. Okay traders, we will wait for it to get executed with 13 average price, and now let us sell our 23,900 put. So 23,900 put we will sell with 25 quantities, and our selling price will be, currently it is trading with 40, so we will place our order with 40, and our target will be 1, and our stop loss here will be 60, and we are trading at 9:44 am. So we have placed a limit order. Okay traders, so here it is trading with 37 and it is at 12. So we will wait for our order to get executed. So it is taking some time. What you say traders? Let us, okay, so our 25,200 call has been triggered. As you can see, it is now currently trading with 14.65, and 26,000 put has been now came to 28. Now say traders, what can we do? And we have placed our order at 40 selling price. But as came very, we will get loss of 10 points. So what can we do? Let us watch the chart of bank nifty It is now trying to go upside. We will wait. If our downside momentum come, we will get our order of 26,900 put. Otherwise we will place our order at market price. So trader, let us modify it at market price. So currently it is trading with 27, 28. We will place our order at 29. So our order selling price will be 29. Okay. So here has been our entered in the trade. So trader, as you can see, this is now our trade for the option selling. We will see what happens. Now what we have to do, that we will wait till 3 p.m. for these premium to become 0. Okay traders, and we have also set our stop loss to prevent any kind of big losses. Okay traders, so now we will wait, and now I am pausing the video. So traders, now let me show you time. So here you can see that currently time is 3:34 p.m. and now seeing the chart of bank nifty, you can see here traders that today's bank nifty index was completely sideways. Okay traders, and it did not even touch our support and resistance, and we made profit. Now let me show you that both of these options has been now trading with 0.10 paisa and 0.5 paisa. Okay traders, now let us calculate our profit. So our target or a profit from 25,200 call is 300, and from 23,900 put is 700 rupees. By adding both of these, our today's total profit is traders 1000. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade and our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.